Okay, now, so I'm going to actually walk you through just the what the first part ought to have looked like. You want to be as follows. You're just going to this is the basic structure right here. You're going to say, phenomenon Q happened, right? Here are three explanations or hypotheses for it. Okay, that's the basic structure. Okay, now how does this look like with regards to trutherism? Okay, well, trutherism, you're going to say something like, look, on 9/11, the Twin Towers, right, were struck by planes. The North Tower was hit. The North Tower was hit by Flight 11 at 8:46 a.m. or something along those lines. Right? There's a lot of flexibility in how you describe these. The South Tower was hit by Flight 175 at 9:03. Both buildings ended up, collapsing. Okay. You can also sort of include, the small, the World Trade Center. There was another building. Which one was it? It was WTC7. Also, WTC7, ended up collapsing later in the day. Even though it wasn't, hit by any plane, that figures into some of the conspiracy theorists' accounts. So, once you, sort of lay out that first introductory paragraph, then what you would do is you're going to, you can use it like a signpost or something. This, I will now go on to discuss, right? Any old signposts will do that. I will now go on to discuss three explanations of what happened. So notice that you got what I'm doing there is I'm describing a phenomenon, right? That's phenomenon Q. Okay, you have to put the facts on there, right? Not the explanation. The explanation is something that's distinct from the fact. The facts aren't disputed. What is disputed is why the facts occurred. Okay, and the official account is not to be included in the phenomenon. The official account is actually an explanation of the phenomenon. It's disputed. Okay, it's not fact. So what you would do is, hypothesis one, right? And I'm not going to actually, spell these out, but I'm going to say, Al Qaeda, attacked. And you want to elaborate on these, obviously. Al Qaeda orchestrated the 9/11 attacks. Okay. And then you want to sort of elaborate, right? And make sure you're explaining all, the phenomena and the details. You would have to explain under this one why it is that the buildings, collapsed. There was some dispute about why they collapsed. So, and then under hypothesis two, you can bring in the conspiracy theory, right? That the U.S. orchestrated the attacks. Then you would explain why it is, right? Well, because the buildings couldn't have fallen, right? It had to have been the U.S. government. You can include another hypothesis too, maybe another variant of the conspiracy theory if you want. But that's the basic structure. That's all, that's all that it is. It's purely descriptive. You're setting yourself up, to do an evaluation of these alternative hypotheses in part two. I hope this helped out, and take care for now.